Jersey Mike's did $4.3 billion in system sales last year, but almost none of that money ever touches the company's own bank account. Nearly every Jersey Mike's is independently owned. Headquarters isn't in the sandwich business, it's in the licensing business. Of that $4.3 billion in storefront sales, Jersey Mike's corporate only books $724 million. The rest belongs to franchisees. Every franchisee wires home 6.5% of gross sales as royalty, plus 5% into the marketing fund. That's 11.5 cents of every dollar gone before they've paid rent or staff. HQ takes its cut, dumps it back into national advertising. That advertising drives sales at every single location, and stronger sales convince more operators to buy in and build more stores. Net income exploded to $55 million last year, up from a measly $5 million in 2024, an 11-fold jump in a single year. 99% of stores are franchised. Headquarters barely touches a spatula, it just collects the royalty checks. The average Jersey Mike's location does $1.36 million a year, and that number has climbed for nearly 2 decades straight. Private equity giant Blackstone bought a majority stake, valuing Jersey Mike's at roughly $8 billion in late 2024. Then, just 18 months later, filed the paperwork to take it public. Every March, Jersey Mike's gives away an entire day of sales, every single dollar, to local charities. Since it started, that stunt has raised over $143 million, and it's quietly one of the best marketing plays in fast food. While the broader fast casual industry grew sales at 6% a year, Jersey Mike's compounded at 18%, 3 times the pace of everyone else. Next up, we crack open Apple's real money machine. Subscribe and hit like, a new business teardown every day. Next up, how Apple actually makes its money, and it's not what you think. Subscribe and hit like, a new business teardown drops every day.